Let me show you a reason that you should have a garden. One of the reasons. Uh, it's getting near lunchtime, and I'm just going to pick my lunch. This is one of the things that I love about having a garden, my backyard grocery store. So let's see what we can gather. This time of year, this is when I really like to pick salads because it's early in the season. The lettuces are doing well. They're not bolting yet. So what do we have ready for this time of year? Well, we don't have any tomatoes yet. We don't have any cucumbers, but we have a lot of leafy greens. So I'm going to primarily pick leafy greens, maybe throw a few radishes in there, and some peas. I've got some like pea pods I'll throw in there. So let's gather some of that stuff and make a healthy little lunch. Start by gathering some of this lettuce, and I don't take the whole thing. I just tend to take some leaves, some of the bigger leaves from the outside. Nice fresh leaves. I don't spray anything on any of my vegetables. So if they're fairly clean, I don't even bother washing them sometimes because I'll just come out here and pick and graze sometimes in the afternoon. And I've got some basil right next to it, so I might throw a little basil in my salad. I'm gonna come over to this little bed, and I've got kale, some different colored lettuces, some Swiss chard, and this is some collard greens. So I'll pick a few of these leaves, some of these nice little fresh leaves from the outside. See what I can get here. We had a hailstorm the other day that came through and just devastated some of the plants. But they're resilient. They came back. I want to grab a few pieces of Swiss chard here. Yeah, there's some shattered leaves from that hailstorm. And gather some of this ruby red lettuce. I don't need much for just me, but yes, that's hail damage there. It's a nice mixed green salad. And then I've got some curly leaf lettuce down here. And I kind of bunch my lettuces close together so that I don't have to weed so much. They kind of choke out the weeds. I'm already getting quite a little basket full of greens here, and I've got a lot of greens right here. This is bok choy that's already going to seed. That stuff bolts really quick. But I got more dinosaur kale. This is red Russian kale, so I think I'll grab a few pieces of this. Spinach is already starting to bolt. Look at how the hail just shredded these. Somewhere, where were my radishes? Oh, I had a few here, I think, mixed in with onions. There we go. Those are, I think, French breakfast radishes. I think I'll grab a few of these. These are ready. I'll put those in my salad, and you can see that I'm getting some pea pods now. These are edible pea pods. And you can see just in a matter of a few minutes, I've probably picked enough for a salad. I could pick a green onion. This is a little early to be picking onions, but I'll take this guy and just one. It's just for me. That's quite a bunch of food. It'll make a decent salad. You know what? I may take the tops of these and put these flowers in. This is pretty. I've been eating the tops of these bok choy, and they're nice and tender, and they're pretty good. I don't know if cilantro and basil will mix well together, so I'll decide on one or the other. maybe I'll just go with cilantro. So, take it inside and make a salad. See what we can do with this. So I just make my own dressing and put them in these bottles. I use like 2/3 olive oil, 1/3 red wine vinegar or any type of vinegar. I like red wine vinegar. I add some Italian seasoning, some Dijon mustard, about a tablespoon or so of Dijon mustard, and about the same amount of honey. And just, you can see it separates. And they say that Dijon mustard is supposed to be a emulsifier that keeps it from doing this, but I think I see it seems to always separate for me. So before I use it, just to shake, and yeah, it all comes together. So it's a healthy dressing. It doesn't have any seed oils in it. That's one big part of my lifestyle I'm trying to clean up on, is no seed oils or anything with, vegetable oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, those seed oils. And just go with olive oil or avocado oil. Those are the two oils I use. And I just make my own dressing. It's not that hard. Doesn't take that long. So how's that for lunch? A few minutes in the garden, and I'm eating fresh greens, healthy salad from the backyard. Grow yourself a garden. You can get this in some containers on your patio. It's not that hard to grow lettuce and a few radishes. And it's peas. You get a radish here. And these bok choy tops, really tender and delicious. One of the big benefits of growing a garden. Grow some salad greens if you're not already. Well, I'm going to eat this, so I hope you liked this video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. I hope you come back. My name's Dennis. Take care.